So there I was, minding my own business, not bothering anybody, perusing Marketplace, when this came out of nowhere and forced me to come and buy it for cheap. Forced me. I'm the victim here. It's a roof rack. It fits a lot of different vehicles. Doesn't fit anything I own. So I'm thinking to myself, what can we do with a roof rack for cheap that forced us to come and buy it? We can improperly install it on Freedom. Let's do that. So this is the roof rack in all of its glory. It's going to have a paint job at some point, but I'm going to put it on the truck first because I'm not sure I'm going to like how it looks, and I'm not going to spend a bunch of time painting something that I don't like. Plus it comes off in like 3 seconds. So anyway, here's what it came with. It came with the rack itself, and it came with these 2 rails, and then it came with these crossbars. These crossbars fit like, I don't know, your average SUV that has those big rails already. Has these things that clamp onto those rails. Can't use that. So what I did was I went to the manufacturer, Serco, and I bought these rail adapters, here and here. And they've got these little feet on them. I bought a roof rail, and I already put the roof rail on the truck. I'll put a video of that. That's what that looks like. And basically it's just as easy as those little feet slide in those rails. Thing is, we've got to get it all figured out on which way we're going to orient it. It wants to orient this way, or the factory wants it oriented this way. This being the front, which is the narrowest point, and these being the sides, driver and passenger. It goes either way. So I think I'm going to start out by mounting it that way, this toward the front or back, whichever. And then we're going to cram that thing up there, and we're going to see what it looks like. So let's get about doing that. Riv nuts. Not sure if everybody here has used riv nuts or not, but they are these little things. And what you do is you drill a hole, you stick these down in the hole, you take this contraption here that sits in there, screw that down, hold that while you tighten this, and it makes this whole thing scrunch up and pinch into the hole, and it basically becomes a little rivet. Ingenious. It's about 194 today, Tennessee, in case anybody's wondering. So what we've got is, we've got these holes here, one in each slat, that correspond to these little guys here. These are movable, adjustable. So the idea is for this rail to sit sideways under here like so. Like so. And basically support the roof rail. So let me get those put on. Well, here's what I realized earlier. I've got a little bit of overhang here, and I've got one of these things here left over on each end. Somewhere. There's another one left over. It's laying under there. I've got to go dig that out. Anyway, I've got one of these left over on each end. So I'm thinking to myself, wow, wouldn't it be nice if we could do something with those? And I think we can do something with those. I think I can just mount lights right there. Keep in mind, this is the side of the roof rail. This is just the side of the roof rack. I can stick lights there and there, and that'd be cool. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that for sure. I'm digging that. Because there's no such thing as too much light, right? I think I kind of like the way that looks. I think I kind of like the way that looks. Obviously I need to get some zip ties. We're back to not having zip ties again. And no, I haven't gone to buy any, but I think there may be some way up at the house. So anyway, what do you think? Alright guys, that's going to do it. That'll wrap up the roof rack install on Project Freedom. Really appreciate you guys coming along for it. You know, I'm curious. I want to know what you think about it. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this thing overall. I think I like it, but I didn't really like it at first, and it's kind of starting to grow on me. I've got a feeling this is going to be pretty polarizing. I know my buddy over at Budget Fix Garage, he hates it. He wants that thing off of there yesterday. He just doesn't like anything about it. So I imagine it'll be polarized. I imagine I'll get some loves and some hates, but still love to know what you think about it. Plenty more left to do to this thing. You know, we're going to put some more lights on it, some switch panels, and on and on and on. So definitely stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, ring the little notification bell down there, get notified when we have a new video out. We'll try to have something out for you about every Friday morning. So anyway, see you next time.